Hey everybody, got a package in the mail. Let's see what it is. Had a long day today, just got home. Whew. All right. No pack, oh here's a packing slip. This is wireless keyboard by Logic. I had one similar to this and I liked it so well, I bought another one. This was on sale. It was like 30 bucks. It was on sale for $24.99. So if you guys have, like I do, a big TV and a computer, basically what I do is I hook up my computer to my TV, and if you have a big screen, you can use your whole entire screen for a monitor. And it got to the point where I liked using it so much that I stopped watching TV, and now all I do is use it as a computer. So basically it's YouTube, Netflix for my daughter, and basically just watching movies over the internet. I think I have cable, but I don't use it. I have Comcast, but I'm waiting for my Starlink because I'm going to get rid of Comcast as soon as I can. But here's the box. Open it up, and all it has is a couple little deals here. So basically instructions, and it should come with, hopefully, a little dongle. I don't see the dongle. I hope it has a dongle in here. So there's batteries. So where is the dongle? Hope I didn't lose it. All right. Let me just try to connect that back up. Pulled out the little battery protector, and it's got your little button, your mouse button. You can double tap this. I like this. Speaker up, speaker down, speaker mute. Instead of having to come over here, you can control everything right here. So I guess a lot of people are doing this. And it has that USB right here, I guess. Oh, here it is. Here's the dongle. I guess I'm not. There it is. Comes with your little dongle. It's right in front. It's easy to, if that sticker wasn't there, I totally misplaced it. But there's your little dongle. You just stick that in your USB. And let's see if we can get this thing rolling. Hold on. Let me go ahead and stick this in the old computer. I bought it because I have two computers and I'm trading, I've been switching the dongle back and forth between computers. So let's see if we can see this. This is my tower behind my, I know this is like a bachelor pad, so never mind the little mess. I'm just going to put the dongle right in that USB port. I turn on my TV, and hopefully, I have to switch my input on my TV, maybe, and I have to switch it to computer, PC. All right. It's on PC. So let me go ahead and hit my code. There we go. All right. So this is, if you guys have a computer at home, you have to get one of these keyboards, man. Like if you have your computer hooked up to your TV, you can just sit back and do everything you can do on your computer with your keyboard. It's just like, I don't know, you know what I'm talking about. You can sit back here on your couch and take your keyboard like a big remote control, and you can edit your videos like I'm doing here. Now I have an Apple computer on this Logitech, and now I've got my IBM compatible regular Dell computer on this. So I'm used to editing on my old computer, and I'm not quite familiar with the Apple yet. So I do all my editing on my old computer, or I do all my editing on my Apple cell phone. But sometimes I want to do both. So this way I can just grab another remote, and I don't have to switch dongles. I don't have to pull everything back because everything's underneath the back of the TV. So it's just a pain in the tail to move everything around. So anyway, this is a great way to control your computer. So get you one of these wireless keyboards, and it has all your mouse controllers right on board. So basically everything you have, you don't have to have a separate mouse and keyboard. Everything's in one. You can control everything anywhere, in as long as you can see the TV. You can edit in the kitchen, you can edit on the couch, you can edit on the other couch, you can edit on the other room almost. I mean, as long as you have that pointed at the dongle, you can do anything. So it's a great way to edit and be comfortable, so you're not stuck at a desk. So anyway, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews on the Logitech keyboard mouse combo built-in for $24.99 on Amazon. So have a great day. If you like this video, crush the like button, and we'll bring you cool little gadgets to make your life a little simpler. Later, bro.